We're calling Kyle Burns fans.
Lover women.
Lover women. They give him their numbers via MySpace comment.
I'm just going to do it straight up. We can use the recording for this one.
Did you have the number? Cleo. Cute hat. You're so cute.
Hello? Kyle. Kyle Burns. Kyle Burns. Yeah? Hello? Kyle Burns. Forever the Sickest Kids. You left me a comment. Is this Cleo? Okay, well, you left me a comment on my picture and I'm just calling you because you looked hot. You like being fished? Hello?
Who is this?
Kyle Burns from Forever the Sickest Kids.
What?
Huh? Kyle Burns from Forever the Sickest Kids.
Okay. I hear mom speaker. I can hear her. Hi. Hello?
Hello?
Who's this?
It's Kyle Burns.
Good one.
Kyle Burns, Forever the Sickest Kids.
Who is this?
Oh my god! Burns! Kyle fucking Burns, yo!
Here. Hello?
Hey, you commented my picture and you're like, call me, so I did.
What is this?
Kyle Burns. Hello, is this
Cleo, do you know a band called Forever the Sickest Kids?
Dude, maybe you should really talk instead of talking. You know?
Alright, listen to me.
Sounds like a fucking reach.
Okay, number one. Ugh.
Okay.
Kyle Burns. Dumb hoe. I can't even talk.
Hang up.
I'm not gonna sit there. What? How are you gonna call me? How are you gonna give me your number indirectly? I'll do this hoe. Richard Relapse.
Is that a man or a woman?
I don't know, I'll call her Richard. Is this Richard?
Be like, hey, it's Kyle Burns. What's up?
Hey yo!
Hey, yo! Hey, it's Kyle Burns, you know. Bernadette keeps calling me.
Hello, this is Kyle Burns. What's up? I didn't realize you were a man. Sorry. Richard Relapse? Is that you? Are you Richard Relapse?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good. Then I got the right man. This is Kyle Burns. You know me? You know? Okay. Good.
You told me to text you. I don't have text.
I don't have text. You told me to text you, but I don't have text, so sorry.
Well, can you go back in like 10 minutes?
Yep.
Alright, bye.
You believe me?
He's gonna get all his friends. Oh, that was him. Go up.
You're a ridiculous person, Richard Relapse.
Call me back in 10 minutes.
I will. Don't even worry about it.
Okay, I'm gonna stop it.